Let's create a Visual Studio Code project here. Open folder. This is the location. If you are using Windows, there is no new folder button. So on the empty area, right click and create a new folder. This is a Mac, so we create a new folder named lesson2 and then choose that folder as a project of a Visual Studio Code. So we are going to use a model view controller architecture model, unselect, view, unselect, controller. And also we are going to develop some test code as we create some models. On the top of the folder, we are going to have a main class, public class main, which has a public static void main string array there. So that's starting point of execution. So we have created some blank project and let's enable Git. Here is a Git initialize repository and the message initial commit. Prior to that, let's add a file .git ignore, and then .class is a byproduct of compilation, and we have a subfolder is a / .class. So any .class files, current location or in the subfolders will be ignored. And then let's give a commit. And then we need to have a GitHub remote repo. So let me open the GitHub account and plus icon, new repository. The name is OO lesson2 private repo create repository. Copy the URL, go back to the Visual Studio Code, down left corner, command palette, choose add remote, paste the URL. The name is you can give any name, so I just give O lesson2, same as project name, enter, then remote repo is added. Now we can do push to the remote repo. Being progress, go back to the GitHub, refresh the window, see that those are copied.